Imagine this. You're 30 years old, sitting on a beach, sipping a drink, and your bank account is growing, without you lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the kicker. You don't need to be a millionaire to start building wealth. In fact, you can start with just $100. That's less than the cost of a night out with friends. But here's the scary part. If you don't start investing now, you could miss out on hundreds of thousands of dollars in future wealth. Time is your greatest asset, and every day you wait is costing you money. So, are you ready to turn that $100 into a fortune? Let's dive in. Point 1. Start with the right mindset. First things first, investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about playing the long game. Think of your $100 as a seed. Plant it in the right soil, give it time, and it'll grow into a mighty tree. But if you keep pulling it out to check if it's growing, well, you're just killing your chances. The biggest mistake beginners make: letting fear stop them. What if I lose my money? Here's the truth. The real risk isn't losing. 100.
ITSMISSINGUTENTHEOPPORTUNITY
100. It's missing guten the opportunity Totteniten to 10,000 or more. So, let's talk about where to put that $100. Point 2. Choose the right investment tools. Now, let's talk about where to invest. For beginners, apps like Robinhood, Acorns, or Fidelity are your best friends. They're easy to use, low cost, and perfect for starting small. But here's the secret sauce: index funds and ETFs. These are like baskets of stocks that spread your risk. Instead of betting on one company, you're investing in hundreds. Think of it as buying the entire pizza instead of just one slice. And the best part? You can start with as little as $10. Point 3. Automate and stay consistent. Here's where most people fail. They start strong but lose momentum. The key: automate your investments. Set up a recurring 20 or 50 transfer every month. It's like setting your wealth on autopilot. And here's the exciting part: thanks to compound interest, your money grows exponentially over time. The 100 100 today could be worth 1,000 in 10 years, or even more if you keep adding to it. Point 4. Avoid common pitfalls. Here's the hard truth. Many beginners lose money because they panic during market dips or chase get-rich-quick schemes. Don't be that person. The market will go up and down. That's normal. But if you sell during a dip, you're locking in your losses. Instead, stay calm, stay consistent, and let time work its magic. By now, you know the basics. Start small, choose the right tools, automate your investments, and avoid common mistakes. But here's the most important thing. Start today. Every day you wait is a day your money isn't working for you. Imagine where you could be in 5, 10, or 20 years if you take action now. That $100 could be the start of a life-changing journey. So, what are you waiting for? Ready to take the first step? Download one of the apps I mentioned, open an account, and invest your first $100. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time? Right now. Let's build your wealth together. See you in the next video.